All right, hey, Josh with Attica Lumber. We're out here, Seneca County. Kind of give you an idea here. I want to talk to you about this building here. Here's the backstory, 36 by 48, 16 feet tall. But you're gonna see on this one, we'll go in here, we'll check it out, the wet set brackets and a 6-foot sonotube as the foundation. So with that being said, let's don't waste time because it is cold out here. Let's go in here and look at this, okay? Let's focus on this. As you can see here, 2 nice big overhead doors going to be going in here. But I want to show you how this is set up here for those you considering that. Now there's different options. You see this right here? Let me focus on that. So what that is, for example, 6 feet of concrete, all right? So you have different options, whether you want to do a 4x6, 6x6, 3-ply concrete permacolumn, or traditional footer. This customer decided to do a wet set bracket. You see what that is right there? So you drill the spikes, and you drill the tongs, or whatever you want to call it, right there into the footer, or the pad right there. But underneath that, 6 feet. From a cost structure standpoint, less than a traditional footer, but obviously more than a concrete permacolumn. So definitely different options. Hopefully you can see that right there. All right, let me go around here so you can see that as well. So this is what's called a wet set bracket, and underneath this is a 6-foot and a sonotube poured concrete. You can see all through this building right here. So different ways you can do things. Keep that in mind here, all right? You can see here, definitely plenty of clearance for this gentleman right here. Again, a 36 by 48, 16 feet tall. Again, those trusses right up there. Again, that's msrlumber. And what that stands for is machine strength rated. So a little bit different type of lumber. It's designed to span, and if you look it up, if you Google it, but what it is, it's a more stronger lumber than it's, let's say, a 2x4 SVF kiln dry piece of stick or a piece of lumber there. And then on this building, you can see that is drip stop as well. So that's going to be the condensation barrier, and that's attached to the metal roof. So the drip stop underneath it as well, instead of a vapor barrier. So a couple different wrinkles here that I want to show you here. This building here is still in progress. These guys are obviously knocking it out, but you can see the header. You can see how we structured that header right there. You see that? Put 2 2x8s up there. See that? 2 2x8s as a header to clear this overhead door. Actually, to support the overhead door. And obviously, with most of our buildings, we definitely recommend a house wrap, as you can see right here. Okay, and that obviously keeps the building tight, keeps the rain, keeps the moisture out. So let's go around here, just kind of back here, just a touch here, and I'll show you here. And then we'll end this video, but that's what you can do. So for more information, obviously, you can visit atticalumber.com. You can call us 419-426-BARN. Attica Lumber.